In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a brand new secret Google method to make money online. Now, this is a brand new method to my channel, and you can actually do this for free. You won't need to spend any money if you don't want to make money with this method. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step so you don't miss out on any information, so you know exactly what to do to make money with this method. And we can actually do this quicker by using AI. The power of AI is insane right now, and you can start a business online and make money online much quicker now by using artificial intelligence, and we're going to use that in this tutorial to make it much faster for you. And you won't need to go and create your own complicated website or anything like this. This method is very easy to do and understand. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to make money online with this new Google secret. Let's get started. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Let's go. All right, guys, so the first step is we want to go and head over to Google Trends. Now, this method is only going to work with trending content that is trending right now. You can do it without doing trending content, but you're just not going to do nearly as well. It's going to be not as good. So you want to go over to Google Trends, and what I've done here is I've gone and clicked on the daily search trends, and for this one I've picked United States. Now you can choose any country, but United States is the one that gets the most kind of views and stuff like that, or you could do worldwide if you like, worldwide topics. But for this one we're going to choose United States specifically, but there's lots of options that you can actually go with. So the next step is we need to find topics that are trending right now. Okay, so something like, for example, these two at the top, the Golden Bachelor and the Celtics, both have quite a high search volume, so plus 200K and then plus 100K as well. Now there's also another way that we can actually do this. So we'll come back to this and I'll show you another thing that we could potentially do. One thing we can do is we can actually go and ask ChatGPT to give us trending topics. So I'll write something and come back. So what I've said to ChatGPT is give me the top 10 trending topics in the world over the last 30 days. And it's going to go ahead and give us a list of specific topics that we can actually go ahead and use. So for example, we're going to go ahead and these are the top things that people have potentially searched. So let's say, for example, cryptocurrency, because that's super popular right now. And I'm going to go ahead and copy cryptocurrency, and I'm going to put it into Google here, and we're going to go to worldwide, and we're going to go over the last, we'll say 90 days. And as you can see, it kind of peaked up here and it's dropping off a little bit, but then it's coming up. So cryptocurrency is a very popular topic as well that we could use for this. So there's two ways to do this. We can go ahead and use Google Trends, what's happening right now, and then we can go ahead and use ChatGPT to give us a list of the trending topics in the last 30 days, 10 days, 7 days, or something like that. We can go to Google, we can go ahead and confirm that, and then we can use those topics as well if we wanted to. But for this video right now, we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and use daily search trend. Now the next step is you want to go ahead and click on the Golden Bachelor, and we've got these news articles below here. These are the latest news articles that have come out. So we're going to go ahead and copy the Golden Bachelor as well. So I'll copy this right now and I'll click on that again, and we're going to have this down here. We're also going to go to Google News, and we're going to post the Golden Bachelor in this as well. And you'll see that we have these news articles here as well that we can potentially use. So you've got two sources of news articles that we can use for this method. You have Google Trends, and then you also have Google News as well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with one of these ones here. This one right here. So this one came out in literally the last 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL. We're going to need this a little bit later. The next step is you want to go ahead and use a platform called InVideo.io. Go and sign up to this specific platform. Now, once you've signed up, you're going to be taken to a background that looks like this. There's one thing you might want to do. You don't have to do this, but you could potentially want to do this. It won't really matter, but I'll just show you this anyway. You want to go to Voices here on the plugins page, Voices, and you want to go Add Voice. And you might potentially want to add a 30-second snippet of your own voice, or at least 30 seconds. Now you can do that by going to Record Sound online for free, and you can record something online for free using your microphone on your phone, on your laptop, or on your PC. Now, once you've done this, you can go back to here and you can choose a file and upload it. I'll upload one of my ones right now, and I'm uploading the file right now of my personal voice. Now, you'll understand more about this later, but however, go ahead. I think we just, we'll just go and upload that right now and go ahead and upload the voice. Now, you don't have to do this, but you might want to do this. It really just depends. But like I said, you can go and record your own voice on like one of these free voice recorders. And as you can see, it's uploading, and then we can use it soon as we progress through this tutorial. So now we have our news article that we're going to go ahead and use. And you can, well, like I said, get this from Google Trends, or you can get it from Google News. It doesn't really matter. Just, you're going to be doing this multiple times anyway, so you're going to be using multiple articles. Now, once you've actually uploaded the voice, mine didn't actually work, but it doesn't matter for this tutorial. But once you've uploaded the voice, if you want to upload one, you want to go to create an AI video. Now, there's a couple steps we need to do here. It's a little bit different to our usual tutorials. Go down to here and go to explore all and go to recent event videos. Now, what we need to do is go back to our news article. Remember, we're going to be doing this multiple times anyway because we need to do a lot of content for this. We're going to go ahead and copy this link at the top, like I did before, and we're going to post it into here. So search the news and also check. So we're going to post this into here, and then we're going to give it a title. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to copy this title right here, but you could create your own one if you like, or use ChatGPT to create one. Really up to you, but we're going to put that in there. I don't know what happened there. Let's start again. Right, there we go. And then this is where the voice thing comes into play. Go down to here and go use, and we can do any. I'm going to do any, and then if you, my voice didn't actually upload, but if you uploaded a specific voice, it would be in this section and you could choose that voice. You could choose your own voice, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to choose a clean American voice, and I'm actually going to do a female voice for this specific video. And then you can add subtitles if you like. It's really up to you. Now we're going to use AI to create a video that we can use. So I'm going to go to continue, and I'm going to go generate video, and it might actually ask us a couple of questions once it's done its analyzing. So I'll come back when that pops up. All right, so what it's done is it's come up with a few options. We can choose an audience. We're just going to go reality TV fans, for example, and then you can do dramatic and all that sort of stuff, and platform YouTube. And I'm going to go to continue, and it's actually going to go ahead and generate this video for us. Once that's done in a few minutes, I'll come back and show you what the outcome is. All right, guys, now it has actually created the video, but what I want to do is I want to show you another example as well. So if we go through this one here, it's a very good video, but one of the issues is it uses a lot of stock images from the database, and because this particular content is brand new, it's only come out in the last few hours, there's not a lot of content that we can actually edit into this video. So let me show you another example using cryptocurrency that you could potentially do as well. We're going to take this URL here. This is a cryptocurrency article right here. We're going to go back to this, and we're going to go explore all. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to post that link into here, and then we're going to take this title, and I'm going to go ahead and let this do this again. The reason I'm doing this is to show you two examples that you could potentially use. And this one here will be a lot easier to actually go ahead and edit the video once it's been created, because there's a lot more content that we can actually put into it. Let me show you an example real quick. If I go to here and I go ahead and I copy Golden Bachelor, for example, and I go and click edit video here and I search for Golden Bachelor. We're not going to have a lot of content here. So if I go search, let me have a look here. We're not going to have a lot of media that we can potentially edit into the video, because the Golden Bachelor is new and there's not a lot of stock images that we could potentially use. Now, that's not saying you can't go ahead and use this video. You can upload this video and use it just fine. It just might not be as relevant and related to people watching the content as we would like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you another example. So I'm going to click Business Enthusiast Professional YouTube and click Continue. And what I did to find this cryptocurrency content is I went ahead and I went into Google News and I simply put in cryptocurrency, and these articles popped up. Now keep in mind, cryptocurrency is a popular topic all the time. This is called an evergreen topic. It's always popular. It has its ups and downs, but it's always a popular topic. So we just go ahead and put cryptocurrency into Google News. We're always going to have content that we can use for this. All right, so as you can see, it's now created a video for us. So what we can do, right? So here's the content.
Has sent ripples through both the business and sporting worlds. The twins, who made their fortunes in the high-stakes world of cryptocurrency, are no strangers to ripples.
All right, I'm not going to play the whole video because you can go and do your own one if you like, but essentially it reads what's on the article, and then, which is this article here, it reads everything on here, and then it creates that video for us. But what we can actually do, for example, so this is a Bitcoin scene. Cool, that's relevant. We can go to another section of this video, and this is some guy, I don't know what he's doing, kicking the ball maybe. We can go to edit, and we can put in Bitcoin or crypto, and we're going to get a lot more content that we can actually put into this scene, for example. So we'll just choose this one here, and we'll click replace, and now that scene has been replaced with cryptocurrency. We click on this scene right here, and we can click replace, and that's now been replaced by cryptocurrency. So we can actually go through the content, and we can replace everything that's not relevant, and we can replace it with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency content to go ahead and create it's going to go ahead and do and change it for us. But we can now go ahead and create these videos that actually have our cryptocurrency in it. Like, there we go. We put that in the video instantly by clicking edit and putting those scenes in. So we can really craft the specific video to what we want. And that's the best thing about this specific topic. It's a little bit harder with this topic. So now what we do is we go ahead and we export that video, and how do we actually make money with this stuff? I'll show you how you can do that now. So to make money with this content, what we're going to do is we're going to upload it to YouTube, and we're going to start our own AI generated news channel. And then what else you can do is you can also repurpose that onto stuff like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and things like that, because we can actually regenerate these videos or parts of these videos into TikTok format and Instagram Reel format as well. So we can post this content along all channels that we have, and we can create our own AI generated news brand. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and upload a YouTube video right now because it's very easy to do, but what you want to do is you want to go ahead and optimize those videos as well, and you can use a program called vidIQ that will show you how to do all of that when you go ahead and upload the video. But that's it, guys. You simply go ahead and you find this type of content. You use InVideo, the InVideo AI software, to create loads of this content. You're going to have to create a lot of content because news is constantly rolling out. And then you go ahead and you upload it to YouTube and things like TikTok to make money online. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you there.